Welcome back to appleInsider. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting releases in the world of smartphones and mobile cameras, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G. Sony's Cyber Shot brand has always been synonymous with innovation in digital photography, and with the K8 5G, they're bringing back the essence of professional-level camera technology in a smartphone body. This isn't just another phone with a good camera. This is a device built with the heritage of Sony's Alpha series, refined into a sleek 5G powerhouse designed for creators, professionals, and everyday users who demand quality without compromise. Let's break it down keynote style and see what makes the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G a standout in today's crowded market. Number 1. Design and build quality. The moment you hold the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G in your hand, you realize it's not chasing trends, it's defining them. The body is built with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame and a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 back, combining durability with elegance. The matte finish not only resists fingerprints but also gives it a premium touch. At just 7.9 mm thin and 190 grams light, it strikes the perfect balance between slimness and sturdiness. The IP68 certification ensures water and dust resistance, making it a reliable companion for shooting in all kinds of environments, whether you're at the beach, hiking in the mountains, or simply dealing with everyday spills. The camera module is beautifully integrated, with a minimal bump that blends into the design rather than sticking out awkwardly. This refinement reflects Sony's philosophy of making the device feel professional yet approachable. It's a phone that doesn't just look good on a desk or in your pocket. It feels like an extension of your creativity, ready to capture moments whenever inspiration strikes. Number 2. The display. Sony has always been a pioneer in screen technology, and the Cyber Shot K8 5G carries forward that legacy. It features a 6.7-inch 4K HDR OLED display, something only Sony dares to put in a smartphone. With a 120Hz refresh rate and support for HDR10+, the visuals are simply breathtaking. Colors are vivid yet natural, blacks are truly deep, and brightness levels peak high enough to stay visible under harsh sunlight. For content creators, editors, and photographers, the display supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, meaning what you see on the screen is as close as possible to reality. Watching movies, gaming, or simply scrolling feels buttery smooth, and the stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos complement the screen with immersive sound. What makes this display even more special is Sony's Creator Mode, a calibration setting designed to mimic professional monitors used in the film industry. This means the phone isn't just for entertainment, it's a professional tool in your pocket for accurate previews and edits on the go. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options ranging from 256 to 1 TB UFS 4.0. This means speed isn't even a question. Multitasking is seamless, apps open instantly, and heavy tasks like 8K video editing or 3D gaming run without hiccups. Sony has also integrated a vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring sustained performance even under prolonged loads. Whether you're gaming for hours, rendering large video files, or switching between multiple demanding applications, the K8 5G doesn't stutter. Connectivity is also top-notch, with support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and ultra-fast 5G bands across the globe, making it a future-proof device. Sony has also focused on optimizing performance for creators. Video rendering times are reduced significantly, and the AI-based performance optimization ensures the phone learns your habits and allocates resources intelligently. It's not just fast, it's smartly efficient. Number 4. The camera. This is where the Cyber Shot branding truly shines. The Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G features a triple lens setup developed with the same technology found in Sony's Alpha series. The main sensor is a massive 1-inch 50-megapixel XMOR-RS sensor with variable aperture ranging from f1.2 to f4.0, giving you control like a professional DSLR. Accompanying it is a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens capable of up to 10x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. The result is photography that isn't just smartphone good, it's industry-leading. Low-light shots are detailed with minimal noise thanks to advanced computational photography combined with hardware excellence. Portraits have natural depth and accurate skin tones, while the AI-powered subject tracking ensures moving subjects stay in focus, whether it's your pet running in the park or a car on a racetrack. Video is equally impressive, with 8K recording at 60 fps, 4K slow motion at 240 fps, and cinema-grade stabilization. The inclusion of S-Cinetone Color Science and Pro Video modes means filmmakers can shoot content ready for professional editing suites directly from their phone. For vloggers, the 32-megapixel front camera offers crisp quality with wide-angle capability, making group selfies and handheld recordings look professional. Simply put, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G isn't just a phone with a good camera, it's a camera with the power of a flagship smartphone. Number 5. Battery life. With a 5,500 mAh battery, the Cyber Shot K8 5G ensures all-day performance even with heavy use. Sony has implemented intelligent battery management that learns your charging habits, reducing battery wear and extending its lifespan. The device supports 80W wired fast charging, taking you from 0 to 70% in just 25 minutes, and 50W wireless charging with reverse wireless support for accessories and earbuds. Even with the 4K display and high-performance processor, the optimization ensures efficient energy consumption. For photographers and videographers, this means longer shoots without constantly worrying about running out of juice. Sony also includes Stamina Mode, a legendary feature that stretches the last bit of battery when you need it most. Number 6. Software and features. The Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G runs on Android 15 with Sony's minimal yet powerful interface. Unlike many other manufacturers, Sony keeps things clean, avoiding bloatware, while adding meaningful tools. The Pro Camera app, inspired by Alpha cameras, offers full manual controls, RAW capture, and customizable shooting modes. Gamers will love the Game Enhancer mode that optimizes performance and blocks distractions, while creators get seamless integration with Adobe Lightroom and Premiere Rush right out of the box. Sony also emphasizes privacy, offering multiple layers of security including an in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and regular software updates guaranteed for 5 years. It's a phone built not just for today, but for the long term. Number 7. Value for money. At first glance, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G might seem like a premium device with a premium price tag, and yes, it is positioned at the higher end. But when you compare what it offers, the 1-inch camera sensor, 4K OLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 performance, pro-level video features, and long-lasting battery, it delivers value that goes beyond a simple smartphone. For creators, filmmakers, and professionals, this device could replace multiple gadgets, making it more cost-effective in the long run. Even for general users, the level of quality across design, performance, and software makes it a future-proof investment. It's not just about what you pay now, it's about how much use and performance you'll continue to get years down the line. In conclusion, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It embodies Sony's expertise in imaging, audio, and display technology, wrapping it all into a single, beautifully crafted device. It's designed for people who want more than ordinary, who see their smartphone not just as a tool but as a creative companion. From its sleek design and 4K display to its powerhouse performance and industry-leading camera system, this phone checks all the boxes and then goes further. It's bold, it's refined, and it's built to empower creators and everyday users alike. If you're looking for a smartphone that redefines mobile photography while excelling in every other department, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G is the one to beat. This has been appleInsider, and that was our full review. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more breakdowns of the latest smartphones and gadgets, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. The future of mobile creativity is here, and it's called the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G.